Andre, Bo, and Mr. Boo, Eddie. Hey, buddy. Yeah, man.
How you doing, sir? You like a seagull? I am every time see 3 seagull and 1 forward like a totally the same picture. Very funny. Now we have different, look like a lion, it's different.
We're all different.
Yeah. It looks just cool, it's all different colors.
We are, we're the rainbow.
Yellow, blue, green.
Woo, baby! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Fucking love it in here.
I do too, man. This is so cool.
It's like such a good fun.
It is a great one. I want to make sure Eddie can get through these turners. You might have to go straight, Eddie. Just keep going straight, Eddie. This is the big alley here. Hey, Eddie, turn left. Come towards the waterfall. Yeah! Woo, baby! Oh, man. Ed, you gotta turn right somehow. You gotta turn right there. Because this ends right here. It's the shore right here. There you go. That's a good track. Can you make that turn? That's tough even with the rudder. Don't worry about it, man. You got it. You got it. No, you got it right here. That tandem's 18.5 feet long, and so it's a little challenging to get through here. There you go. There you go. Nice maneuver, man. That's it, dude. You're like a fucking pro right there. We're coming, you guys. Wherever you want, man. Stop and we'll anchor. Do we have a spot we can hook up together? We might have to go out. Oh, look at that, dude. Oh my God. Yeah, look at that. Oh, get in front of me right here. Look at this. Hey, Eddie, pass me. Come through here, look at this.
Oh my God.
Let's go all the way down. Hey, Andre.
You let go?
All the way down. We'll go down and turn right and we'll anchor outside. This is the shot right here, man. Yeah. Oh, baby. I think Andre needs a rudder. Well, I'm touching you. That's I'm fucking with you. I love the waterfalls in here. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Work that rudder, buddy. Oh man, here comes the pass, Formula One.
Shit never gets old. Oh, man, this shit never gets old.
This is great. Mr. Boo! Hey, Mr. Boo.
Like the endless hallway. Mine's actually fairly low right now.
Oh shit. I feel like we're at the amusement park. Fucking banging into each other right now. Oh.
Look at that puppy claw.
Let's turn right somewhere. Pick somewhere and go right. Don't go down mine one. Mine's the wrong one. Go to the one before me. You'll be after it. No, it'll work. It'll work. You look like you've been spelunking.
Amazing. It's a pirate, real pirate decoration for movie.
Dude, you could live up in there. You see that? There was a beach. Hey, Andre, we're going left.
With a carrier division.
We're cutting across, Andre.
Where?
We're cutting across.
This is GoProable. Shit's dope, right? Shit's fucking amazing. Let's go fuck with him. Yeah. You know, go fuck with him.
Oh, look at that pelican. Is he diving? Is he diving?
We're the disruption squad.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He sees a fish. Nope.
I think they can see that well too.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Run over though. For real. You gotta make sure you don't get run over. You're gonna get run over. No.
Oh, according to Bo, we have the right of way.
We have the right of way.
So they'll just.
Some havoc. Like side by side.
That's a 5-5 right there.
There's a whole bunch of them. All those are right there.
We gotta go side by side to get through. If you have one in a line,
Expedient
They're
members
easier
of
to
the
dodge than
processing
you think.
we're
rules
gonna get run over.
you were
easier to
made
dodge.
with
I
I
your
see that now. Oh, you know what? Next time I bring my
We were
microphone
made
out
to
here.
rock them
But
up
now
in
that
the
it's radio, I have that right away. I'll do that.
Troll the
I had a mic. I had a mic there.
Like, I am the stand-on vessel. Repeat, I am the stand-on vessel.
I don't know about getting run over, dude.
I'm telling you though, it's easier to miss them than you think. And it's just, I mean, this is just,
Dad floated
there's
his
few
cup.
things in life that's beautiful in my opinion.
Let's enjoy it.
It's up there. Come on, let's go.
Be smart. Just be smart. Just be smart.
I'm a tip devil, man.
Let's meet at the ball. Let's meet at the ball. Oh wait, there's another boat. Woo! Yeah! That was really fucking fun, man. Oh, look. Look at Andre. Look at him out. Look at that, dude. Hey, Eddie. I don't know what this guy's doing right here. Hold on. Okay, he's staying right. Oh man. That was intense, I'm not gonna lie. We're at the starting line of a regatta race. We're getting a lot of flack, which is understandable. Although we were told we have the right of the waterway as well. It is also a race, so we're all trying to respect the space, especially the starting point. Mr. Boo! Look at your beautiful eyes. Pretty funny. So the entryway is like a few more down. And then it's like a secret passage. Oh, I've never seen that sculpture. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, actually.
I gotta come back and check that out. Just follow Bo. Yeah, follow him. It's gonna be very narrow now.
Get ready to flow.
Look at that rudder at work. Whoa. Hey, good to see you. The next corner is the one we have to get out. So those guys, I gotta go through it. There might be a waterfall down here.
Is it the first time coming through here?
Second, my second time.
Oh. You came for the first time by yourself?
No, it was
Some friends?
Bo and Ian
Oh, boy.
and Mr. Boo
Mr. Boo.
and Hobart.
Anyone for okay.
Okay, maybe you can actually get it. You might be able to get it. Let's see if he can first, and I'll get out. Actually, you might get this. I think you got it, dude. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Holy shit!
Scratch that shit out, baby. Keep that rudder to the right like that. Yeah. Do you got it? Yeah! You did
I
it!
can't believe it though, man.
Last time we couldn't do it. It was just too high. That's great. That's good to know. Oh, that's funny. And it used to be, there was a waterfall right here and we didn't know what it was from.
Holy shit, I got two.
That was great, man.
Okay, now I can cruise. I'll play my music.
Yeah, get that shit going.
Holy shit, I'll keep my music going.
Something eerie. Eerie and dark. Not happy teenager bouncy.
Not happy things about
No.
Like what?
No one here is that age.
Yeah,
Let's not have
friends,
that.
how about
Just something not so teenager.
Okay,
Unless it's fucking
country roll,
awesome.
let's see some country roll. Yeah. Country roll.
Play whatever you want, man. It'll be perfect.
Country roll. Bring me home.
You're funny. Shit. It's hard, isn't it? Paddling through here is tough. You're so funny. Country road. Oh shit, I'm coming in too hot and fast. Look out. Oh shit, God. Ah! Oh, look out for that engine down there, man. Look at that.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Little for the motor.
No problem with the rudder.